Hello everybody, welcome to my kitchen room.
Today we're gonna
make cappelletti.
We have to say together. Today we're gonna make cappelletti.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Nonna, episode 3, Cooking with Nonna and Nonno today. Tell us what the plan is for today.
Today we're going to make a cappelletti.
Otherwise known as tortellini, and we're going to be joined by Nonna and Nonno's friends Clara and Nino afterwards.
We're doing this every year, at least more than 3 times a year, 4 times a year we make.
And
together.
How many years have you been making cappelletti with Clara and Nino for?
Yeah, long. Oh, we've been making for years now.
So let's get started, shall we?
Okay. I'll be the cook in my kitchen room.
So Nonna's just going to talk us through the filling, the meat filling, and what you include in that.
We put mince, it's beef meat, but you can make even with the pork mince if you want, but not always use beef.
Yeah.
You cook the beef mince. When it's cold, you put the seasoning, salt and pepper, nutmeg, and you put Parmesan cheese, parsley, a bit of garlic, and a few eggs. Then you mix all together. And when it's cold, you put them in a pastry. I think this should be fine. The meat is got to be cool before you put all the other seasoning. Otherwise, the egg cook. Not good, so that should be cold. Yeah, the meat is cold. We put a Parmesan cheese, salt, nutmeg, a little pepper, and we put a bit of parsley, a little bit of garlic. Now stir, and then we put the eggs. 1, 2. And then we see if it's coming thick enough, because it's got to combine all together.
And if it doesn't, you add another egg.
If in guys is not enough, we put another egg. And now I'm gonna taste a little bit. Very nice. We do the pasta now. When Nonna do this thing here, Nonna always wanted to taste to see if it's got enough seasoning. Otherwise, we have to put some more.
You're the taste tester, professional taste tester.
Yeah. I prepared the pasta this morning. See?
All there?
Yeah, there.
And that's
all the meat.
2 kilos of meat?
Mm-hmm. Kilo meat. This is not 2 kilos. This is 1.5. Right?
Okay. Well, how much do you normally?
When we usually do 2 kilo meat, we usually put 6 or 8 eggs and 2 cups of Parmesan cheese, and then you put all the seasonings.
Clara and Nino have arrived. You can come in. Hello.
Hi.
Buongiorno.
Hi.
I'll just introduce you to Clara.
Let's cooking the spaghetti.
Clara's cooking spaghetti for lunch.
Yeah.
And how long have you two known each other for now?
76. No,
76, the year after come here.
Yeah. But really close when we shifted back in here, 91. 91.
When you came back from Nana.
From Nana, yeah.
So this is Nino?
Yeah. No, Nino. This is Augusto Luison, not Nino.
Okay. So how long have you been making cappelletti together for?
Oh, about 15 years, 20 years?
Yeah, the 1983 we started.
Oh, okay. Long time. So Clara's just getting the trays ready.
Yeah. Now we're doing the pastry now. We've got to clean it up. Adesso possono venire loro dentro, no? They can come in, no?
Yeah, they can come in now.
Come on.
You can come in now.
Ehi! Potete venire? Va pigliare il grembiule per adesso.
What's everyone's jobs here now? You've got a little production line going on.
Nonna make the pastry and I cut the sheets. Nino put the meat And the Nonno and Clara, they tie them up.
And we'll show you that in a moment.
And Nonna's gonna cut the strips, squares. And then I go like that.
Okay, fold, little triangle,
Yeah,
then fold again like this,
yeah.
and then
Pinch it
there,
together.
and pinch it together. That's it.
And then they become little hats.
cappelletti. Little hat.
Cappelletti means hat.
Little hat.
Yeah.
Then
Then
you
the
go
sun.
inside like that and round like that.
Okay.
When they finish, you can feel and see which one they look nice. Because Nonno is a left-hander and Clara is a right-hander. See, you can see the difference.
Nonno has slightly bigger fingers. Okay.
Okay, Nonna go like this.
Questo è il mio straccio.
I make it slow so you can see better, right? Then I turn like this, and then I put my finger there, and that's it.
Okay.
This one is one,
I will try it again.
this is one you made.
Oh, this is mine. It needs some work.
Is a little bit crooked.
Katrina and Monica have arrived. These are our cousins. So I've been trying to fold them and I'm not very good yet.
That's okay. Piano piano.
Takes practice, no matter which way, as long as
Yeah,
it
like
goes
that. See,
over.
look.
See?
And a bit wobbly, but doesn't matter.
No, she's okay.
When we get the wobbly ones, oh, this is got it.
So you fold it in half. And then like this. And then cross it over.
Very good.
I did it!
Yeah, very good. Yeah, a bit wobbly, but it's all right.
And these ones are mine. Here.
See, this one here looks like he's drunk. This is back to front. You gotta go like that.
Okay. We're getting there. Cross it over. And you have a little hat. I'm getting better very slowly. It's better than the first ones that I did, huh? So now we're taking, what do we tell us what we're doing, Nonno?
Yes, back in the freezer.
Do you cover them up or anything?
No, just put them in the freezer. And they go frozen. And then when they're ready, we cook them.
Sounds good. That's a big freezer. What else have you got in there?
Oh, a bit of everything. A bit of a zoo. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the why we make a cappelletti. There is a lot of work, but they're very good to eat. They're better than when you buy at the shop.
Especially with the
And
soup.
all our grandchildren, like girls, because I got all girls, they love them. And they always have them for Christmas, Easter, and the old boys for the birthday.
For Nonno's birthday.
And on the birthday.
So we hope you enjoyed watching the video. Let us know down below in the comments if you liked it. Give it a thumbs up and let us know if you give it a try making your own. So what are we going to make next time?
We have to think about maybe gnocchi.
Maybe gnocchi next time.
Next time.
Ciao for now.
Ciao, bye.
See you next time.
See you next time.
So it's Easter and we're having
We have
cappelletti.
Easter, and we have a cappelletti with a broad. They say cappelletti al brodo.
with chicken stock broth.
Cappelletti al
Looks
brodo.
good. And how do you know it's ready?
Well, you have to taste, eh?
Needs a bit, not ready yet.
We usually have with the soup. My old son, he like it with the sauce.
You get special
I
treatment.
make a sauce and he have with the sauce.
Just for Papa.
Put a bit of cheese anche. Put a bit of cheese, it's nice with the Swiss.
Ne vuoi pure
Well, I got
formaggio?
two. Katrina e Mario.
There you go.
Yeah. We're gonna eat some. I always taste. Today we don't eat meat because it's a lean. You know?
Well, Nonno just ate some.
No, no, just eat some.
This is not meat.
No?
This is meat.
Okay, there's a difference.
Oh Cristo, ho detto qualcosa di male, dove hai capito?
You know what he said? He can't touch because he got a wet hand, Laura.
Nino's job is very important. He has to make sure the exact amount of meat goes
Hey,
in.
this is the important one. This is important. If this one is not there, nobody do it.
Like a factory, see, one do another job, one do another job.
And then I eat it. It's an important job.
Yeah? Alright, next time, you have to pay.
Next time you come and do
I'll
next
pay
time.
with love.
She got,
Yeah, that's it.
she got all the...
Pardon
And
me.
if I
Show
make
me.
up
So
a
this is mine. This is what Nonno thinks. It's got a very long, like, sticky outy bit here. It's like that's what it looks like. Okay.
Oh my God.
Today we're going to make cappelletti. Just say 1, 2, 3. Today we're going to make cappelletti.
Today we're going to
make
cappelletti.
Okay. Okay, let's try again. Let's try again. Ready?
Oh Lord.
3.
Today we're going to make cappelletti.
Fine, we'll go with that.